The Matsu Island is the northernmost point of Taiwan, located near mainland China. It has both island and continental characteristics and maintains a rich and diversified ecosystem. With the rise of ecotourism in recent years, Matsu has developed unique nighttime ecotourism experiences, and among them, the most famous is the bioluminescence phenomenon, known as the blue tears. However, there is an unique species of firefly that is endemic to Matsu, the glowworm. They have distinct ecological habits and flash patterns and are shared in the memories of old Matsu people. The Regothomidae is a small insect family with 11 genuses and less than 100 species. Among them, the Regothomus genus consists of the most species with a total of 36 and ranges from East Asia to South Asia. Besides females, males can also emit a faint glow. Male glowworms have several important characteristics. First, there is the dense groove behind its eyes, giving it its nickname the dense eye glowworm. Also, its antennae have 12 segments, and its abdomen is longer than its wings. The female adult has a larva-like appearance but with lighter colors. The large light organ is located on the 7th abdominal segment, and most abdominal segments have light spots on its dorsal and two sides. The number or shape of head segmentations can be used to distinguish between different species. There are two species of glowworms separately found in Beigan and Jiguan of Matsu. Adult glowworms can be found from March to May, but with different time peaks. The two species can be differentiated by yellow patterns on the edge of their wings or by examining their genital organs. Because their habitat do not overlap, the discovery location can also be used for species identification. With the arrival of spring, the blossoming canary pear flowers gives the land a new white appearance. The fox season at Matsu starts from May to March. As the land absorbs the moisture, long-awaiting animals start to show signs of activity. The ground starts to glow when fox season arrives. It's a childhood memory all Matsu people share. This is also the time the nocturnal glowworms start to appear. The setting sun signals the start of the nighttime luminescence festival. The female will emerge out from the bushes to seek her mate. They will raise their abdomens to a near 90 degrees to attract males with their luminescent glow. They can be found on side slopes near farms, on naked rocks, or in roadside bushes. They can glow for as long as an hour and a half every night. If they do not successfully meet with males, they will burrow on the ground to rest. The males will fly around during the night in search of the glowing females on the ground. After finding a female, the male will quickly land nearby and start mating soon after contact, whereas the female glow will fade out or disappear during this process. According to observations, males are active for only a very short period of time, mostly within 10 minutes after the initial female activity. Their usual adult male lifespan is only 2 weeks. The flash pattern of female glowworms after mating will change as only the small light spots will glow, whereas the large light organ will gradually dim out as it begins to lay eggs. They will lay several dozen eggs each time and curve around them for protection. At the same time, their light spots glowing will provide an alerting signal. The female lifespan could reach 1 to 2 months and egg stage is about 30 days. During the final stage of the embryo development, the light organ of the larva will have already matured, and the glowing spots can be seen through the eggshells. The larvae are carnivorous and only eat millipedes. Upon engaging their prey, they will attack the millipede's antennae or legs. and drag land around to paralyze them. Because millipedes have a hard exoskeleton, the lava will first decapitate the millipede through the intersegmental membrane and eat the internal tissues, and then work its way toward the end one segment at a time until eating the entire millipedes. The larva will go through months of several molting to the pupa stage, which will last 2 to 3 weeks to emerge to an adult. Glowworms are typical nocturnal insects, and luminescence is their way of communicating. The recent growth of tourism and development of the islands have destroyed their habitat. Excessive lining infrastructures limit the living space of the glowworm population. According to genetic diversity analysis, phylogenetic trees can confidently place the two glowworm species in separate monophyletic groups. Furthermore, genetic distance analysis shows the Matsu glowworms have extremely low within-species genetic diversity, which could potentially result in extinction. With this in mind, the Lienchiang County government are collaborating with academic researchers toward planning and establishing glowworm conservation areas and roadside warning signs to ensure both ecological conservation and road safety. Multiple glowworm workshops have been held to promote ecological conservation during the past few years. The Matsu Islands have rich and amazing bioluminescent sceneries. We truly wish these glimmers within the island can continue to light up the wilderness and night skies.